Very good evening, my dear friends. In this video, we're going to see job vacancies from multiple companies. So let us start with Alchymars SM. So here is a good opportunity from this company for the department quality control. So B.sc or M.sc chemistry candidates are eligible for these positions, that is chemist, analyst, chemical, so and executive method validation and executive computer system validation and analytical instrumentation chemist. So these are the positions available under qualification BSc or MSc chemistry. If you are interested, you can attend this walk-in interview on 7th and 8th April. Here you can see the job location is Alatur, Chennai. So for details regarding this, you can visit that link Google Maps. And coming to the vacancies possible, we will leave the link in the description regarding the location of the first job vacancy. So coming to the walk-in interview from Avid Organics Private Limited, so the following vacancies are there, my dear friends: shift in charge, plant operator, fitter, electrician, safety officer, quality control and quality assurance executive, assistant manager and R&D executives. The venue is 460/1 Village Poicha, Raina, Savali, Vadodara, Gujarat. So candidates must have experience in chemical or pharma industries are preferred, and you need to walk in with CV and passport size photograph. They have mentioned the contact numbers. You can contact them, and you can also mail them. BE, BTech Chemical, B.sc Chemistry or MSc Organics can apply, my dear friends. So chemical, so candidates having minimum experience is required. Here you can see the vacancies wise experience is mentioned on the screen. Take a screenshot of this, and these walk-ins are going to be held on 5th, 7th, 8th April from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So coming to the vacancies from another company, which is MSN Laboratories. So formulation unit 2, here you can see Nandigama village and Mandal, Rangareddy, Telangana. So the venue is also same. So this is a walk-in on 8th of April for quality assurance in the oral solid dosage form formulations. So the work location is also same as of as the location of walk-in itself. And the educational qualification is B pharmacy or M.pharma or M.sc candidates. So freshers or experienced candidates can attend this walk-in interview for the roles trainee, executive or senior executive. So please bring you need to get all the documents, and you need to scan the QR code to get the list of documents that you need to carry to the interview venue. So the company also mentioned the mail ID of the company, careers.formulations at the rate of msnlabs.com. So if you're interested, you can share your CV. If you are not able to attend the interview, they may contact you if they are in need of candidates. So coming to the next vacancy from Aurobindo APL Healthcare Limited. This company is conducting walk-in on 8th of this month from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The venue is APL Healthcare Limited, Unit 1 Sage, Pollapalli, Jadcherla, Mahabub Nagar, Telangana. So for the positions under production compression operator, technical assistant departments, 3 to 6 years, ITA or diploma candidates can attend. So what you need to carry: updated resume, qualification documents, latest increment letter, breakup, last 3 months pay slips, 6 months bank statement, Aadhaar and PAN card copies. So if you are not able to attend these walk-in interviews, you can share your CV sanju.rathod at the rate of arvindo.com. So these are the details and job vacancies, my dear friends. I will be posting another video regarding the job vacancies. You can also watch that video. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting us. See you in the next video.